In today's video, I'll teach you how to exclude words from search on Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Now you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in Amazon, you'll be able to search for the items, but whenever you're searching for the items, you might want some words to be excluded. For example, sometimes you want to search for the running shoes, but you do not want to see the results for the hiking shoes. So if you want to exclude such words, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in the name of the item that you're searching for. Here I'm just going to type in running shoes. Now in order to exclude the word, what you have to do is simply press on space bar. After you do that, type in the minus symbol. Now type in the word that you would like to exclude. After you do that, press enter. Now you'll be able to see the items that you searched for, excluding the keyword that you typed in after the minus symbol over here. So like this, you'll be able to exclude the word from the search. So that is how you exclude word from search on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.